Yeah, we're in. Hello. Are you okay?
I am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm alright. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. This video is going to be slightly different. It's going to be a Joico get together tonight over Teams, Microsoft Teams. So the guys have set it all up. Marilyn, the feeder, normally in the HQ in Helmond, she has set up a evening for us all with a mixologist, I think they're called, where we're going to be doing cocktail mixing and that sort of thing. So the box has just turned up. I'm going to check out what's in it, and then we've got tonight to look forward to doing it. So yeah, really looking forward to it. Let's see what's in the box. So what we're going to do is we're going to bang it over on the worktop. Let's see what's in it. Super excited to see what's in this box. Super Frites, crisps to soak up all the alcohol, little cocktail maker, it's got an orange in it, smells amazing. Green plastic straw, no, not plastic straws, don't know what they are. Is this a little sick bag? Oh, it's for ice. Damn. I'm not going to open it, but I think this must be cranberry juice. There you go. Oh, no way. Havana Club. What are these? They're little test tubes. Ginger beer. I love ginger beer. Oh, this is my favourite vodka. If anybody's listening, this is my favourite vodka. Absolute. Hey, got 2 limes. Juggle. Beefeater. Yeah. And oh, some pineapple juice. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Joico. Thank you so much, Marilyn, for putting this on. Looking forward to it. There's only one problem. I can't drink alcohol. Now, if you've been following my socials on Instagram at paulwatts.life or paulwattshair, or my Facebook page, you'll have noticed that I'm off work at the minute. I was in the salon earlier today. I was working with one of the girls. She wants to do extensions, so we got somebody in to do extensions, and I helped her sort of find out where to apply them and all that. So she's going to start doing extensions in the salon. But that was it. I've got a really bad back. I've got a prolapse disc, ruptured disc, bulging disc. Yeah, it's incredible pain at the minute. My leg standing here now is agony. So unfortunately I can't put the alcohol in my drinks tonight to try them. So I'm going to be having to mix them. Don't know. Just gonna have to be mixing them and drinking them, but not with alcohol in. I'll have to be making some mocktails. Unfortunately, yeah, I'm on a lot of tablets to try and cure the pain. But yeah, what a shame. All this effort, and I don't know what the test tubes are. Hopefully the test tubes are just flavours, because there's only 3 alcohol, so we're making 3 drinks probably. So I hope that they're just the bits you put in, and I can get sort of a bit of flavour with no alcohol. But yeah, it's a shame. But yeah, looking forward to it. Bit of a different video, but this is what we get up to with Joyco. They treat us so well. I'm really missing being at the headquarters, and but this is the sort of thing we do. Like, maybe not making cocktails, but they take us out for plenty. We go for a lot of meals and trying different foods, and yeah. So this is amazing. I'm looking forward to this and seeing all the team again. It's been a real sort of down moment, and I was talking to somebody today, and I'm not like a negative person at all. I tried to keep super positive, but it's like testing. It's testing the pain I'm in every single day, not sleeping because of the pain. Last night I had the best night's sleep ever, so I'm hoping that continues. I'm gonna go see somebody tomorrow to sort me out, hopefully. But yeah, I'm on a lot of tablets to try and manage the pain. They're not doing it. So if I'm on this many now, they said give it sort of like 7 to 11 days. So it'll be 7 days on Wednesday that I've been on this amount. So yeah, but I'm looking forward to this, and I hope you're looking forward to seeing the video, seeing me doing some cocktail making. I know I am. So check back with me in a bit. And it'll be when we start making cocktails. That's it, all set up. Oh, sorry about the lighting. Is the lighting a bit off? All set up now. Here we go. So we've got our ice, we've got all our drinks, we've got our test tubes. There's a little frites that we're going to eat, and then we're all set up on here. Right, let's get into it. I'm just about to log on to the group. Join in, connect. Here we're in. Hello. Are you okay?
I am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Alright, it's not the best, right?
Yeah. I'm good. I'm just recovering.
So are you okay with drinking alcohol or not with all the medication?
I'm on 11 tablets a day.
11?
Yeah.
And go for the last set of thingies.
Really? Yes.
I love your hair. Oh, I love both of your hair.
Oh!
Both got it done.
You have bonus points now.
You can create a medicine out of those wines. So you can 8 degrees and all the alcoholic spirits that evaporates, and if you catch that vapors, then you get a strong alcoholic medicine, which cures all pains, all mental problems for
all mental problems.
Result, mate. But the Moscow Mule. Oh yes.
Hey Lisa, don't get too excited.
That's my cocktail for the happy hour.
Your happy hour cocktail. Okay, we have a small variation on it, so I hope you like this one as well. But I'm not going to say anything else. I'll jump behind the bar, and it's time to start making the first cocktail. Yes.
Cool.
Okay. Yes, it's cocktail time. Yeah, we can create cocktails in different ways. We can shake cocktails, of course. That's the most common way. You can stir cocktail long bar spoon. You can just stir it. And you can throw it from the one shaker with ice cubes to the other. And it's nice flair style of making cocktails. You can blend it with a blender. And the most easy one, most fast one, because everybody's quite good. The most fastest way to make a cocktail is building a cocktail. Building a cocktail basically means making a drink in the glass, voila, and it's finished, and you can drink. And we love making the Moscow Mule as a first cocktail because it's fast to make, but it's also quite easy to make yourself at home if you have some friends coming over. Or you just want to surprise someone with a nice drink. So, it's a building cocktail, and for building cocktail, we always start filling a glass with ice cubes. And use quite a big glass, so it fits quite some brews. That's important. And okay, and quite some. The more ice, the better it is. The more ice cubes, the less water it gets into our drink. The more better it is.
David, that smile on your face says it all.
Yeah, so you try a big amount of ice cubes. Yeah, about 100 milliliters, and then you can take a straw and give it a good stir. Yes, oh yes, thank you. But who was having this cocktail Moscow Mule before? Yes.
Elisa.
Okay, Elisa, I see some of you out of the Netherlands. Sometimes they didn't always bother when they yeah. Nice head, Jill.
Sorry, who will get the cranberry?
2 times cranberry, 2 times. 1 and 2, yes. And give it a good smile and shake it up and down. Spread the egg white from the off. So making breakfast, you just open the egg, inside the shaker, and you break it open.
And does the white go in the shaker?
I hope so. Only
Jill, I'm not fishing that out now.
just shake it, Jill, don't worry.
There we go, good luck with that.
I tell you what, Jill, go and rub your hands, your fingers in a garlic, and you'll be able to fish it out. Your hand.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Really?
Yeah.
There's 2 pink ones, huh?
Yeah, they fit the same.
Don't you say me.
And the darkest one, else. The darkest one.
Yes, 2 times measurement cup, yes.
What's going to happen with what ice?
A lot of pressure's going everywhere. Does that look like? Is that good?
Yes, oh, I see some nice colors over there. Yes. And for this cocktail, don't take a really big sip, just nice and gently, because it's a little more strong than the previous one or 2.
Oh, that's nice.
There we have it. That is the cocktail night done. I look a little bit tired. My hay fever's killing me. Yeah, they all sort of mentioned how is my my back, and I didn't feel myself. I am myself. Yeah, it's just an uncomfortable. Do you know what I mean? Just don't like the whole purpose in life is to cut hair and everything, and it's stopping me, which is frustrating. So that's the thing. But it was such a good night. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed the guy Kevin who was doing all the cocktail instructions and everything. It was great. I'm trying to remember. I didn't even drink. It's just the tablets that are in me. My memory is so poor at the minute. But there was no, they've gone. I'll write it all down in the video so you'll be able to see it all. But yeah, I just want to thank Joyco for putting on an event, seeing everybody, welcoming the new team members, and we'll see you in the next video.